In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable developer mode in Odoo. If you need access to more advanced tools and technical settings inside Odoo, turning on developer mode is the quickest way to do it. This mode is especially useful when you want to see extra menus, work with technical features, or explore settings that are normally hidden in the standard view. The good news is that enabling it only takes a moment, and the process is very simple. To begin, open Odoo and go to the settings area. This is where Odoo keeps most of the platform-wide configuration options. So it's the right place to start whenever you need to change system behavior or unlock additional features. Once you're in settings, take a moment to let the page fully load so everything is visible and easy to navigate. Next, scroll down until you find the Developer Tools section. Depending on your screen size or version of Odoo, you may need to scroll a bit more to locate it. So just move slowly and look for that exact section name. This area contains options intended for more technical use, which is why it's grouped separately from everyday settings. When you've found Developer Tools, click on Activate the Developer mode. As soon as you select it, Odoo will begin switching your account into developer mode. You don't need to manually save anything here. The system handles the change automatically for you. After that, wait for Odoo to reload the page. This refresh is completely normal, and it indicates that the platform is applying the new interface options associated with developer mode. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may happen almost instantly or take a few seconds. Just give it a moment and avoid clicking around until the page finishes reloading. Once the reload is complete, developer mode is enabled. You'll now have access to additional technical settings and menus that weren't visible before. These extra options can help with configuration, troubleshooting, customization, and other advanced tasks. So use them carefully if you're working in a live environment. And that's all it takes. You opened Odoo, went to Settings, scrolled to Developer Tools, activated Developer Mode, and waited for the page to reload. After that, the advanced technical options became available. Thanks for watching.